my blood, with every breath in my lungs. Won't stop until I'm phenomenal. Whatever road it takes, I'll go to whatever lengths. It's gonna make me a monster though. I'm never sane. Cause I'm born to be
unstoppable, unpoppable thought bubbles, untoppable thoughts, fucking juggernaut that'll stomp you in the verse. Obstacles I'm drawn to them when they're going got off. Some of what I done fought was the worst. Little sissy, who the fuck taught you how to persevere? There ain't no situation that you ever had to respond to that's adverse. Messiest thing you've ever gone through is your purse. Yeah, I don't try like hell, and I might as well hang it up like a shell. Gotta keep wrong with it evolve, cause you can keep throwing shit at the wall, but you're gonna find that nothing's gonna stick until you apply yourself. Time to slip in that zone till I find myself inside the realm of the unknown and boldly go in the waters where nobody else has gone before or willing to go uncharted. Feeling it so bomb, I'm feeling myself. I'm a giant sometimes, I gotta remind myself that I am.
every ounce of my blood, with every breath in my lungs. Won't stop until I'm phenomenal. Whatever road